It's your girl Chef K, the world's coolest chef. And on this episode, we're gonna take our leftovers. I mean, we always do. It's okay. We making the dollar stretch. That's what we do. We had our salmon, or smoked salmon, grilled cheese sandwich. We paired that with our tomato and cucumber salad. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna turn all those ingredients into an amazing pasta salad. Very easy. The only thing you're gonna have to do today is boil some shells. As I've said before, I don't care where you get these shells from. Just get you some shells. The main ingredient. Available for sale January 1st. Himalayan sea salt, a little bit of pepper. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a little twist on this. Red and green bell pepper. Okay, so we'll get those chopped up. That looks like this. Bam. Then we're gonna take the leftover cucumber salad from last week and we're gonna pour all these ingredients together. The only thing that we're gonna need to do is pour in our noodles. I've already gone ahead and I have put a little bit of the olive oil on them. I'm gonna put just a little bit more. Again, I would probably say about a tablespoon or two. Take your ingredients here, your leftover veggies from your cucumber salad, plus the veggies that you chopped up today, which would be your red and green bell pepper, including your purple, a little bit more purple onion, okay? A little bit more feta cheese. Let's go ahead and mix up our noodles. They've been sitting in the fridge so that they can cool down, because you actually want them to cool down so, you know, it doesn't cook the vegetable. Now, Skinny Dipz. Ha! That's the name. Shout out to them. I think we should use the lemon garlic. What do you think? Lemon garlic? Skinny Dipz. Shout out to you. Skinny Dipz. Shout out to you guys, all right? I would say, let's do our favorite number. Let's go 2 tablespoons. A little bit of mayo. But I found something pretty cool. I don't know if you guys have seen this. Heinz Mayo Must? I don't know. It's mayonnaise and mustard. Mayo is a must. So we're gonna go ahead and put some of this in here. And we're gonna mix this together. Now, the reason why I am mixing all of the vegetables together is because, in my opinion, by mixing all of this together with the dressing that we made, this allows for us to go ahead and add this to the noodles, and everything is already ready to go. So, once you got it all mixed up, pour it into your noodles. Mix it all up. This is your vegan dish, so relax. Alright, we got more coming up. And more amazing flavors. All out of the same groceries. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money to eat great. Okay? So, then we just gonna add a little bit of feta cheese right on top. We're gonna sprinkle a little dill right on top of that. Bam. Voila. And that's it. There you go. Simple pasta. That was all I got for you guys. Chef K, we're here, and this is Enjoy All Things with the world's coolest freaking chef. Peace.